Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taz, for those of you guys who don't know. So I kind of ghosted this channel for a while, but I've been up to quite a lot of things. So I just finished my first semester of pharmacy school 2 weeks ago. I had every intention of documenting that whole experience. To be honest, it was just a little bit too chaotic and I really had to get used to pharmacy school. I'm going to try my best to document my second semester, which starts today. We literally only had, I think, 15 days off for winter break. So yeah, I'm starting today. I have class in about an hour and a half. It takes me about 30 minutes to get there. So I'm just gonna eat something super quick. And then yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to class.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my
Hey guys, I just finished up at the gym. So I'm heading to Trader Joe's right now. I was gonna go yesterday, but to be honest, it was raining and I kind of just wanted to relax before my first day back. So yeah, I'm gonna go today and I'll show you guys what I get. I love Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is my life and I haven't been in a while, so I'm super excited. So I'm back from Trader Joe's, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a haul. I did get a few things from Target, Whole Foods, and like the regular grocery shop because Trader Joe's didn't have a few things that I needed. And yeah, this is like the least I've ever spent grocery shopping, and I think it's because I made a grocery list, and I definitely recommend doing that if you are a grad student or college student. Start with the Trader Joe's stuff. So I really wanted like a salad, like a Caesar salad kit that I really like that from Trader Joe's, but they didn't have any of that. So this sounded really good. Harvest apple salad kit. So it has spring mix, unexpected cheddar cheese, apple cinnamon chips, and pecans with an apple vinaigrette. That sounds busted. So I also picked up the butternut squash, and I really think that this would be a good like topper for the Harvest salad. I want to like spice it up and throw it in the air fryer, get it nice and crispy. So I'm gonna do that. Also picked up some eggs from Trader Joe's. I always pick up my eggs from Trader Joe's. I don't know why, but I like these ones. They're pasture raised, and I think that's good for you. I also picked up this oatmeal. It's like organic rolled oats with ancient grains and seeds, a blend of rolled oats, amaranth, I don't know what that is, quinoa, chia seeds, and ground flax seeds. I thought this was really good because I'm gonna be doing a lot of overnight oats just because it's really simple and easy on the go, and I'm tired of buying Starbucks. Like, I'm gonna try to avoid it as much as I can, like to buy like a breakfast sandwich and a coffee every single day. I can't afford that, so I'm gonna be having this, and I think it's better than like getting like the regular oats because it comes with like all the chia seeds and everything already, so I don't have to like, you know, mess around with a bunch of jars and stuff. So yeah, and then I also picked up some dates, just some pitted medjool dates, and then I also got some baby spinach. And I was really craving olives. We got these marinated olive duo. It's like Kalamata olives and like just a bunch of goodness. I think I also picked up these strawberry yogurt O's. Sounds really good. It's a medley of yogurt covered O cereals, yogurt chunks and dry strawberries. So I think I'm gonna have this like on its own or like with the coconut yogurt from Trader Joe's. I think I might put this on top of that. Okay. And guys, that's how much I spent. Let's see. I spent only $35.45. Oh shit. So I also got this organic Vermont maple syrup. And I also picked up the Synergy raw kombucha, golden pineapple. It was the only flavor kind of left, besides like the really big ones. So I got that. So yeah, can you believe that? That was all $35.45. I have never spent less than $100 at Trader Joe's. So yeah, make that grocery list. Like I said, Trader Joe's didn't have a few things that I needed. So I did go to Whole Foods. So from Whole Foods, I didn't pick up too much. I just got these shaved Brussels sprouts. So Trader Joe's didn't have the Brussels sprouts like in stock, I guess. So I went to Whole Foods. But honestly, I really like these, the shaved Brussels sprouts one. It just like, they have like really big chunks of like half Brussels sprouts. And so like, I guess the seasoning can get on it more and it's like a bit more crispier. Like at Trader Joe's, they do have shaved Brussels sprouts, but it's literally like just leaves. There is no like actual chunk of Brussels sprouts. I don't know, I'm a weirdo. But I'm planning to air fry this with some of the dates and just like spice it up. It's gonna be good. And I picked up some broccoli from Trader Joe's. I mean, Whole Foods, because Trader Joe's didn't have any. And then I also got dark kidney beans and Great Northern beans, because I'm planning to make a pasta e fagioli soup. I think I butchered that pronunciation. So I did go to Target. I honestly shopped around at so much grocery shops, like I didn't even need to do that. I don't know, I'm a freak. But from Target, I got like these celery sticks, and honestly, they're already like cut up for me. And like they have the bag with the zipper. Same thing for the carrots. You know, I just like easy things. So I like Target sometimes for their produce. And then I also got crushed tomatoes there because it's cheaper. And I also picked up some vanilla almond milk, just the Target brand, nothing special, for my overnight oats. From the regular grocery shop, I just got the Detalani pasta, because this was the pasta that they use in the pasta e fagioli, and I wanted to use the one that they use. I also picked up pinto beans and the small red beans. Again, I could have just got this from Whole Foods, but I didn't because I'm a freak. And then got cilantro. Gotta get this at the regular grocery store. Like, I don't know about getting that from Whole Foods or Trader Joe's, you know. And then I also just picked up bananas. Every single grocery shop had like really super green bananas, and this is like the only bag in New York that I found that was actually yellow. So I'm gonna be using this for overnight oats. And yeah, that's about it for my haul. Hey guys, so before I start meal prepping, I kind of just want to show you guys how I'm gonna be organizing everything for school. So this is actually my first semester, and I used to have the folders all out like this for all my individual classes, but since I finished the semester, I just left it here on the side. And then basically so far, these are all the classes that I have for this semester. And yes, it is 8 classes. So we don't have any work yet, but basically I just have the syllabus located in each folder. And then I also have my schedule just laid out like this. And then, so I use my laptop, and then I also use GoodNotes. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So basically it's the same type of thing. So I had all my classes laid out like this, but I just consolidated all of the classes that I had for fall semester. Then these are all my folders, and then I also have my planner on GoodNotes. I literally love this thing. Like, it has like all these hyperlinks. So for example, this is just like laid out by month, but I can also go into week 2, and then this also so I can also plan by the week. And then it also just has like a weekly check-in, a meal planner, and a weekly schedule. It has so much things that I can do so that I can be really organized. So I definitely think that this planner was a good investment. If you guys are interested in it, I'll definitely link it down below so that you guys can purchase it if you'd like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any interest in me doing a more in-depth video of how I organize for school or any study tips being a pharmacy student, then please let me know. I'll be more than happy to. You guys can definitely expect more videos. I'm gonna really try this semester. I'm gonna really try. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.